Are you a travel enthusiast looking to take your trip planning to the next level? Google Maps is an incredible tool to organize your travel itinerary efficiently. This video will walk you through a step-by-step guide on using Google Maps to design a personalized travel map. Whether you're a meticulous planner or just looking for a more organized way to travel, this video has you covered. Why use Google Maps for travel planning? Planning your travels visually offers several advantages, especially for those who need to see the layout of a destination to understand it better. Google Maps enables you to create a detailed itinerary by marking the places you want to visit, noting important information, and color coordinating your plans. This makes the whole experience of exploring a city or region smoother and more enjoyable. Plus, you can access these maps on your phone, making it easy to navigate as you explore. Step 1. Research and compile your list of attractions. Before jumping into Google Maps, start by compiling a list of places you want to see. Your research can include vlogs, travel blogs, social media, and travel websites. As you do this, keep in mind your personal travel style. For instance, if you're a budget traveler, you might focus on local experiences and avoid expensive dining or shopping spots. Knowing your travel style helps you identify content creators and resources that align with your preferences, saving you time and ensuring your list truly matches your interests. Consider what each attraction offers in terms of experience. Are you more interested in popular tourist sites, hidden gems, or perhaps a mix of both? Keep a simple list of attractions, noting any details you come across, such as hours of operation, entrance fees, and proximity to other attractions. Once your list is ready, you can move on to building your map. Step 2. Create your custom Google map. After finalizing your list of attractions, open Google Maps on a desktop to begin creating your personalized map. Start by navigating to the left-hand menu, clicking on Saved, then selecting Maps. At the bottom, click Create Map, which opens a new window for customizing your map. This window provides all the tools you'll need to design your itinerary visually. If you're not already centered on your destination, simply type the location name such as Quito, Ecuador into the search bar, and Google Maps will automatically center the map there. Once the map is centered, you can rename it to something relevant, like Quito 3-Day Itinerary, to keep it organized among any other maps you might create in the future. Google Maps also offers a description field where you can add details, such as the theme or type of trip, for example, budget-friendly, family-oriented, or adventure-focused. You can also include specific notes like must-see neighborhoods or areas with lots of dining options. These labels and descriptions keep your map organized and make it easy to identify the purpose of each custom map when you return to it later. Step 3. Adding pins for each destination. Adding pins to your custom map helps visualize each location on your list. Start by typing in the name of each place, such as Basilica del Voto Nacional in Quito, and select Add to Map when Google identifies the location. This adds a marker on your map, creating a visual reference for all the places you plan to visit. Go through your entire list, pinning each spot. This is especially helpful for seeing how far apart attractions are, which can help with daily itinerary planning. Google Maps allows you to personalize each pin by adding specific details like a short description, entrance fees, and even photos. For example, if a location has a minimal entrance fee, you can note that under the description. This feature is also great if you find photos online that remind you of the site, as it can jog your memory when reviewing the map. Step 4. Organize your map by color-coding your days. Color coding is an excellent way to structure your map, especially if you have multiple days or different types of activities. Let's say you plan to spend 3 days exploring Quito. For this example, you might assign 3 colors, red, yellow, and blue, to correspond with each day of your trip. Group attractions by their locations and proximity, making it easy to know which sites you'll visit on which day. Begin by choosing a color for each area. Assign pins in the north part of the city as Day 1, pins in central Quito as Day 2, and those further out as Day 3. By the time you're done, your map will be a colorful visual guide that allows you to identify each day's plan at a glance. Step 5. editing, and personalizing your pins. One of Google Maps' best features is the ability to edit each pin with helpful information. Click on a pin to add notes, such as "great for budget meals" or "entrance fee $3." These notes can remind you of specific details when you're on site and may save time by avoiding repeated searches. Additionally, you can add images to pins, either ones you've saved or those sourced from Google. If you have a favorite Instagram shot of the destination, upload it so you can easily recall the spot. For sites that have complex names, renaming the pin with a shorthand label can make your map clearer. These details transform your Google Map into a personalized travel guide, packed with all the information you need at your fingertips. Step 6. Sharing your map with travel companions. If you're traveling with others, sharing your Google Map is an easy way to ensure everyone has the same itinerary details, making it simple to coordinate plans. To share, click the Share button at the top of your custom map, which opens a window with a link. Copy this link and send it through text, email, WhatsApp, or any preferred messaging platform. With this link, companions can view all pins, notes, and images on the map in real time. If you'd like them to make changes, you can adjust the permissions to Editor, allowing them to add new locations or make notes. This can be especially helpful if you're planning collaboratively, as each person can add spots they'd like to visit. It's a great way to keep the group informed and minimize the need for repetitive explanations, especially if travel plans change. Step 7. Accessing your custom map on your phone. Having your custom map on your phone is essential, as it serves as your on-the-go guide while you explore. First, download the Google Maps app if you haven't already, and make sure you're signed in with the same account used to create the map. In the app, go to the Save tab, then select Maps, where you'll find all your saved custom maps. From here, you can tap on any pin to view details, get directions, or even read your notes added during planning. Google Maps offers an offline feature as well. Before you travel, download the map area, which will store key information like your marked locations. This offline functionality is incredibly useful in areas with limited or no internet access, as it still allows you to follow your planned route and reference your notes without needing connectivity, saving data and ensuring you're prepared wherever you go. Benefits of Google Maps for public transportation and navigation. One of Google Maps' best advantages is its extensive database of public transportation options, which is invaluable for navigating cities without a car. In most countries, it displays real-time schedules, routes, and timetables for buses, trains, and metros, making it easy to plan your movements from one spot to another. Google Maps tends to be more accurate than other apps like Apple Maps for international destinations, helping you save time and stress during your travels. And that's how you can use Google Maps to plan out all your travel adventures efficiently and stress-free. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button to let us know, and subscribe to our channel for more future videos. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy travels!